Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to show you something that I believe is going to help many out there with their charging needs as far as keeping things organized while you're charging your phone or tablet. So what we have here is a USB-C type connector, and on the other end, of course, is the actual USB connector. You could connect this to your phone plug, whatever plug you have, or any generic plug. But what makes these things really cool is that they're magnetized, and this allows you to keep your charging cable neatly organized, just like you see there. And they also do have them in lightning connector, and also the original Android connector, where now Android has gone into USB-C type connectors. I forgot the name of it, but they have them in different types of ends, so you can buy them according to whatever you need, whether it's for your iPhone or iPad or your Android phone. And by the way, the iPad Pros now are using this type of connector, so if that's the case, then you can use this one too, the USB-C. So I personally own an iPad 11, and this is the connector. It is not lightning. So they do have them in different types. Now you can just pull them out and just like that charge it, and if you want to keep it near you, the excess that you're not using, just let it click, just like you can hear it click. Just let it keep itself organized that way. Like if you're using a laptop and you want to keep it near you, or if you connect this to the wall, if you don't have this type of cable, if you have the regular cable and you've let your cable just hang out, you know that you can easily step on it, or if you move a chair or a piece of furniture, it could run over it. Believe it or not, you can also get it caught with your vacuum cleaner. Not so with this one. So just plug it into the wall and coil it up like this, and it would not be touching the floor, which means you are more organized and you're less likely to damage this cable versus the one you probably have now with a vacuum cleaner, or just by stepping on it or rolling over it with like an office chair or something like that. So this is something that's really nice. They are 3 feet long, so they're as long as the original cables. I don't know if they would be coming up with any more that are longer than 3 feet, but either way, look into it. I'm going to post a link in the description if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. Just click on the link. I believe if you buy, the more you buy, the cheaper you get them as a discount. So definitely look into it, check it out. Tell us what you think. Is this something you would be looking into? Let us know in the comments, and we would be happy to respond as well. So thank you very much for watching. Everyone, have a wonderful day.